Understanding your social media planner tab and how each tab supports your business growth. Your social media planner bring all the content creation, scheduling, engagement, and analytics tool into one organized workspace. Here's a simplified overview of what each tab does and why it matters for your business. The planner. So this is your visual posting calendar. You can view the post, you can view the post by list or by calendar. So if, for example, we have a multiple schedule here, you can actually drag and drop. But in this scenario, it's already posted, right? So you can drag and drop and then put it there so that at the same time, it can help your business and keep your posting schedule organized, ensure consistency, and that is the key to brand visibility. It saves time and easier planning. Okay, so content, what it does. Here you can view all the content asset automation including. So upload the CSV files. It is a bulk upload post for fast scheduling, recurring post or post set to repeat automatically, review post or post generated from new customer review. So you can actually filter that. RSS feed which automatically pull content from blogs or news sources. Approval of queue. Okay, so that is the post waiting for approval before publishing. So this is applicable for those who have employee and wanted to approve it first before go live, right? So why it help your business? It is a great for bulk content creation. It helps you automate repetitive posting and keep all asset and workflow organized and make collaboration and approval easier. So, how about the comments? So this is a new feature that we have, and what it does is it is show all audience comments across your contented connected account in one place, so you don't need to check each platform. So you can see if you have connected on Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Threads, or Blue Sky. So it helps you respond faster, improve your customer engagement, and never miss an inquiry or feedback. How about statistic? So what it does, it display the performance insight it display the performance insight like reach, engagement, link, click, and post trends. So the number of posts, the total likes, the total follower, the total impression, and total comment. So it helps you understand what content works best, shows which platform are performing well. It guides strategy using real data. How about social listening? Social listening, it tracks mention of your brand, competitors, uh, keywords, or industry topics. So you can discover the trends, monitor brand reputation, learn what your audience cares about. So you can see here we have a lot of social trends like in Google Trend, Pinterest keywords, Wikipedia page views, a TikTok breakout song, and TikTok popular song. So there's a lot more, and you can see like, oh, what is trending right now. Maybe I can, you know, think about it because it's trending, right? So on our setting, so it allows you to connect to social media account, um, adjust posting preference, manage user, and set notification preference. Okay, so you can see if you have Facebook or you have Instagram, those you can see it here on your social account. So I hope that oh, and also here we have on our social account, we have our communities, Pinterest, notification, um, categories, and we can actually post it with watermark, right? Which is good. and the global setting. Okay, so that's it for today. And see you on the next video. And I hope that this video will help your business to grow. Let's continue on growing.